All right, in another round of breaking update, we are told that the NSE and the BSE have put 3 Adani Group companies under short-term additional surveillance measure, and this is coming at a time when it comes to including Adani Enterprises, that the surveillance measures have been taken under the framework of the BSE and the NSE according to the latest data available. And what is being said, that the 2 other firms apart from Adani Enterprises that have been listed by the exchanges are Adani Ports and the Special Economic Zone and Ambuja Cements as well. Now, the parameters for shortlisting securities under ASM include high-low variation, client concentration, number of price band hits, close-to-close price variation and price-earning ratio as well. So the NSE and the BSE have said that these companies have satisfied the criteria for inclusion in short-term additional surveillance measure or the ASM, and under the ASM, the applicable rate of margin shall be 50% or existing margin, which is higher, subject to maximum rate of margin capped at 100%. Let me go across to Akansha now. Akansha, what do we hear as far as the NSE and the BSE here is concerned? Because they have also now been put under surveillance, including Adani Enterprises as well.
Well, absolutely. The National Stock Exchange as well as BSE has put 3 of the Adani Group companies, that is Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports as well as Ambuja Cement, under the additional surveillance measure. Now, yesterday also we saw how there was a massive uproar in the parliament as far as Adani stock crash is concerned. Opposition parties, in fact 13 opposition parties joined hand in both houses of the parliament seeking suspension of business, suspension of proceedings to discuss the allegations of fraud against Adani. And now, as I mentioned, that NSE and BSE have put Adani Enterprises also under the additional surveillance measure. Day before yesterday, Adani Enterprises had called off rupees 20,000 crore FPO and had said that they will be returning the money to the investors. Now, this controversy has reached Parliament also. It remains to be seen how it plays out today in the Parliament, because at around 10 o'clock, Mallikarjun Kharge has called a meeting of opposition floor leaders to chalk out the strategy. So it is expected that this entire controversy will also play out in the Parliament today. Yesterday, the proceedings in both houses of the Parliament could not be taken forward. It was
of course, we have to wait and watch for the developments that are going to come from the Parliament as well. But the latest that we are picking up is that NSE had put Adani Enterprises under ASM framework, and that is going to serve as a warning for the investors, and that is why it is a crucial development.